I'd like to know, describe the first day that you guys reunited, as in the whole cast in doing this movie.
Galing kami ng book launch ng One More Chance.
Uh-uh.
And we were asked to go to a hotel. Mag-lock in kaming lahat, kasama lahat ng cast, the Thursday Barkada, and the staff, the original staff. So, nag-dinner kami, and then pinagawa kami ng, imagine, may mga nakapaskil na papers sa wall. Tapos, as in yung creative juices lang namin nag-run lang talaga. Kasi tinatanong kami kung saan napunta yung character ni Chino, ni Ken, kung saan napunta si Basha, what is she like right now. So, ang sarap nung moment na yon. I really enjoyed it kasi we were part of the creative process. And sobrang generous nung writers and director namin na kaya nila makipag-collaborate sa amin. They were really listening.
Parang gap. Parang iba, matagal. Kasi mga isang taon kami hindi magkikita. Pag nagkatrabaho, nagkita kami ulit. And alam ko na I'm gonna spend quite some time with her dahil may gagawin pelikula. Parang, pag ganun, ewan ko if you feel it too. Yung kakapaan pa kayo, yung parang kapakiramdaman pa kayo, parang, alam mo yun, yung hindi mo alam ano ba trip niya ngayon, ano ba?
It's like working with another actor all over again. Parang brand new siya, but actually you're really familiar with him. So may ganon irony.